Maybe a sweet victory to end the campaign. Chato delivers. Oh, turned in! An unfortunate own goal! And there's the long ball coming over the top.
As AFCON 2024 don reach knockout stage, we could check some match analysis of the Super Eagles of Nigeria during their group stage. The goals when they miss, the lack of team play, the little mistakes they made. Because if they don't correct those mistakes before the next match, which is tomorrow, they might end up being knocked out by Cameroon. As it dey hot. Our wingers need to pass ball give Osimhen. We need to create more chances. Service Osimhen, goal go come.